Alright, we're working on the 2006 Ford F-150 Lariat. We got the new grill in. Looking good. Got this piece new. New chrome bumpers and lights. All looking nice. Pretty sweet. And today, I Herculined the box. It's still wet, but there's one more thing we're gonna do. Now the bed of the truck is all gonna get painted with matching paint. So we'll get all those scratches out. And when we're all finished, even the Herculiner is gonna be matching truck color. So there you have it. We turned the total truck back into something that looks good. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.